Time for some leather repair. So first things first, we're going to clean the leather. Now we're going to measure up some backlining cloth. This is going to help prevent the patch from tearing in the future. So we put it in with a spatula and a needle. Make sure it lays flat. Add some heat. Use a silicone pad to push it in. Next, we're going to use some rep glue to deal with those little hairs that are sticking up from the tear. Next, we're going to add some filler. Level it out with the spatula. Apply a little heat for it to cure. And add a mold of the grain, silicone pad, top, to impregnate the grains of the leather. Low spot, we'll add a little bit more, make sure it's nice and level. Apply the mold, some heat, some pressure. Maybe use a brass block to out. Now we're going to add our dye. We're going to hand mix this to match. Got our color wheel there so we can adjust the colors. Bring it right in to match the... Now we're going to apply the dye to make sure that the grains of our leather that we imprinted on the patch look good. Get a better perspective. And if not, just add another layer of our patch material. Bring the grains back into the leather.